Well, it's definitely raining. It doesn't rain much in Las Vegas, but it's definitely raining today. So today I'm going to show you what I've done here. I've just reinstalled this lower trim panel. And you'll see a gap right in here. Okay, let me explain first things first. This is the old one. And I'm going to show you a quick video of how this thing came off. It came flying off. My stupidity, I ran over a curb and I broke a couple things. This front panel and the rear step. So here I'm going to give you a part number if you ever lose this thing, so you'll know what to look for. Oh, let me see. I found it somewhere. Oh, there it is. Alright, this is Toyota 53911-04210. Okay? But when things went flying off the front, I had to go out and go back to Toyota and buy these clips. Okay? Paid top dollar at Toyota because they were $387. You can get them online pretty cheap, but I wanted them today. I wanted them now. And the part number for that one is 75392-04010. Okay? That's the part number. And that's the schematic here. It shows the clip being number 15 and the lower trim being number 14. Alright? So I went online on YouTube trying to find out how to get those clips back in. Got a big gap here and it won't hold until I put these clips in there. But in order to do that, I've got to take off this front grille, which is not too hard. It's got 2 screws, and over here it's got a clip here and a clip on the other side, and 4 more at the bottom. Now, when I looked at Taco Bandit's video, he didn't mention the ones at the bottom. He just pulled the grill off. So I don't know if he broke his while doing it, or he just didn't have any. His was a 2016. Mine is a 2017. So we know for sure the 2017s do have the clips at the bottom. Let me see if I can zoom into those things. Where are they? Oh, there they are, right there. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'm having trouble looking at my picture here on the video, but there's one right there. Anyway, there's 4 more. There's 3 more. So you got 4 at the bottom, 2 on top, and this should come off. So first, let me show you the video of how this happened. I ran over a curb. I was hearing some noise coming from my tires, and I thought it was another nail because I've had a nail in there before. So I stopped, and then forgetting that there was a big curb, it's like a handicapped sidewalk, I ran right over that thing when I got back in my truck and did all this damage. Like I say, this came off, and then the back step broke off, and I made a new bracket for it. Let me show you what that looks like. Alright, this is the bracket. It's cast aluminum, and I didn't really take a video of how I made that, but it's all made out of steel, and I'm showing it to you right now. But I put it back on and it's working correctly, which is a good thing. Okay, just another note. I bought this from McGeorge, I don't know if you can see this, McGeorge Toyota Online Parts for $117. Okay, $117. It is a Toyota part. I've heard the Bandit on YouTube pay $250, so he paid double. Don't know why, but anyway, it took about, I don't know, 7 days to get here, and it is an original OEM part. So 117 plus shipping, which I think was $30 something, but it's still cheaper than $250. So I'm going to go ahead and take this puppy off and get to work. Okay, I've taken 4 more off the bottom and the 2 on top, so you got 6 to take off. Alright, now this should come right off, according to, I hate to even do this, but there we go. Alright, so now there's a clip here that you have to pull out, and I think it clips also inside here, so I'll have to work on that one. And also same thing on this side. I'm going to take these 2 panels off so I can get to those blue clips underneath. Okay, I didn't have the camera on, but you have to pull the bottom out. It's just a little struggle, but I got it. It's got 2 clips. Actually 3 if you count this one. They didn't break, so that's a good thing. And I should be able to, so you've got 3 clips, pull straight out. You've got this one side clip that you got to pull out. But you got to do that on both sides. And we'll take care of that right now. Well, that's it. The clips are in and we're good to go. Pain in the butt, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'm back in business. I gotta do now is put it all back together. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this won't happen again.